Americana Restaurants announced its IPO price range, and Alcazar raises $336 million for clean energy. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramya Faraj. Americana Restaurants, the franchisee of KFC and Pizza Hut restaurants, has set its IPO price range between 68 and 71 cents, aiming to raise $1.8 billion. The price range implies an equity value for the group of between $5.7 billion and $6 billion. Americana is offering about 2.53 billion existing ordinary shares, representing 30% of its capital. The final offer price is yet to be disclosed, and trading on both the UAE and Saudi exchanges will commence on December 6th. Dubai-based renewable energy firm Alcazar Energy Partners has raised $336.6 million from 8 investors for developing clean energy projects across several emerging markets. The fundraising was carried out by sustainable infrastructure fund Alcazar Energy Partners II. This will enable the development and construction of more than 2 gigawatts of clean energy infrastructure across select emerging markets. AEP2 aims to achieve a total generation equivalent to powering over 1 million households, which saves 3.2 million tons of greenhouse gas emissions. Abu Dhabi utility TAQA has posted a 53% surge in net income to $1.8 billion in the first 9 months of 2022 compared to the same period a year ago. Driven by soaring oil and gas prices, TAQA's group revenues during the period rose 14% to $10.5 billion compared to the year-ago period. Capital expenditure was 28% lower than in the same period a year ago at $681 million, largely reflecting lower spending in TAQA's transmission and distribution segment. Bahrain's GFH saw a 3.3% rise in net profit attributable to shareholders of $24.06 million in Q3, compared with $23.3 million in Q3 2021. GFH says it saw growth on income from its global investments and funds, improvements in its commercial banking business, and contributions from treasury activities, its sustainable infrastructure platform, and proprietary investment portfolio. Net profit attributable to shareholders increased by 9.8% to $66.24 million for the first 9 months of the year compared to 2021. Saudi's Public Investment Fund and BlackRock have inked an MOU to explore infrastructure investments in the Kingdom and the broader Middle East. Target sectors will include energy, power, utilities, water, environment, transport, telecoms, and social infrastructure. BlackRock will look to build a dedicated infrastructure investment team in Riyadh. PIF and BlackRock plan to attract investors to participate in investment projects and boost FDI into Saudi. The goal is to explore new investment opportunities while enabling Saudi private sector participation. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. It tracks the daily ups and downs of the world's richest people. Our biggest winner today is Chinese real estate mogul Yang Huiyan, up $2.5 billion with net wealth of $10.7 billion. It comes after China announced sweeping measures to rescue the country's struggling property sector. Our second biggest winner today is Australian mining billionaire Andrew Forrest, up $1.4 billion with net wealth of $17.3 billion. And our third place winner is Chinese real estate billionaire Wu Yujian, up $991 million with net wealth of $9.9 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires news. And staying with billionaires, Elon Musk will go to court this week to defend his $56 billion pay package at Tesla. Shareholders allege it was rigged with easy performance targets, and they say investors were duped into approving it. Musk is accused of using his dominance over Tesla's board to dictate terms of the 2018 package. The shareholder has asked the court to rescind the pay package, which is 6 times larger than the top 200 CEO salaries combined in 2021. I'm Ramya Faraj. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.